Hey guys, this is Sarah Etter here. We are just about to start our very first live walkthrough tour for our exclusive Freedom Builder Mastermind. Super excited to take them around Brantford, Ontario today to 2 of my properties. I'm gonna be taking them through an amazing triplex conversion, as well as this finished duplex behind me. It's gonna be so fun. We're gonna be doing a lot of informational sessions, going over all of the numbers, and getting to answer everybody's questions. So come and stay tuned. And I've had projects where we've had massive plumbing issues and leaks. I've had it where we've had to underpin a basement. That was a part of the quote. A waterproofing $15,000 bill to their thing, that wasn't anticipated. So when that stuff happens, I just try to be like, look, it sucks. This is what you kind of signed on for. And here's how we're just gonna get past. $1,600 for a 1-bed unit in downtown Brantford. Most people would be like, you're out of your mind. But we took a little risk with my other building down the street. We went with quartz countertops. We went with slightly higher finishes to see what we could push the market to. And for 2-bed units, I'm getting $2,000 a month plus hydro. A cool garage in the back. That was a monstrous selling feature for me. Having enough parking, having yard space. Trust me, I've tried to rent units that are beautiful that have no backyard. It's huge nowadays. Everyone got a puppy during COVID. They have kids. It's tough. They need places to kind of turn their kids out for the day and, fenced preferably so it's safe and things like that. So just little things to keep in mind. Even if it's a really good property, make sure location, parking, lot size, all that kind of stuff, it really, really makes a big impact, not just on the refi, but the caliber of tenant and the amount of rents you're going to be able to get for the property. So it's okay to think a little bigger. When I first bought this, I thought, woo, we're getting into it. This is going to be a big one. But I can tell you from a return perspective, I take on 10 of these before I'll take over another duplex or a potential bungalow conversion. All right, guys, we just finished our very first live walkthrough tour of Brantford, Ontario with our Freedom Builder Mastermind, and it was a blast. We had a ton of people come out and we got to walk them through a lot of my projects here in Brantford, my triplex conversion, as well as my finished duplex. There's a lot of questions, a lot of Q&A and walkthroughs, and they really got to see firsthand exactly how I invest, why, and some of the trials and tribulations we went through to get to the finished product. And if you want to come join us on our next walking tour and see everything else that we're learning in the Freedom Builder Mastermind, make sure to check us out at Sarah Etter Invest on Instagram and Freedom Builder on Facebook. We hope to see you next time, and see you in Freedom Builder.